So I'm in the RV, as you can see, and I am in the process of renovating it for the first time. So I got the TV on in the back. There's no noise. Well, I'll turn it up later. But anyway, so what I did is I took out the dinette set, and I'll show you that in a second. So I'm in the RV, as you can see, and I am in the process of renovating it for the first time. So I got the TV on in the back. There's no noise. Well, I'll turn it up later. But anyway, so what I did is I took out the dinette set, and I'll show you that in a second. Also on Saturday, the other thing I did is I took all the window treatments down. So it's just that and the walls. And so I'm going to take some putty and fix up the holes in some spots that I have made, and hopefully, that it will look good when I paint it. So as you can see, all the window treatments are now gone, and I've taken that off. Maybe I should zoom out a little bit. Let me zoom out. So the window treatments are gone, as you can see, and so I did that in the living area. In fact, I did it throughout the RV. So it's going to make it look a little bit roomier. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the cabinets yet, but most likely at some point I am going to paint them, I think. So I already bought replacement blackout shades for here. They're going to be a white creamy color, so that would be nice. My TV in the front, and then there was this accent border, if you want to call it, across the back here, and I took that off in the galley area. So this is the kitchen area, as you can see. So doing all that, trying to keep it level. And then, so this is what I'm working on now, is taking the accent, as you can see, the hand right here, this area right here. I'm going to, let's just pause. So here, as you can see where I'm pointing, the accent here, I'm removing that all the way around. Now this is in the bedroom area, so I'm going to take all that off. And that's my goal, to get it done today. And then I also have to, probably not tonight, but I'll have to do it out in the living room area, or the common area, for lack of a better term, where the slide is, the front slide. There's a section there on the wall that I have to remove. This is actually fairly simple to remove. It's just time consuming. So just stay tuned, and we'll show you what it looks like without it. Alright, so this is what I'm doing right now. I'm tearing this apart. I don't know if you can see this from where you're at, but I'm going to tear this off. Take this apart. And this is my goal for this evening, is to take off the paper. That would be so nice. Ripping off the paper here. That's not good. Take my time. So I have the one along this wall. I'm going to take that off. Okay. So we'll move the camera so you can see. piece off. There, that was easy. Very gently. Like that.